Welcome. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the ultimate mind sport. Chess. Oh yes, you heard me right, about chess. This game is all about strategy, thinking ahead, and, of course, having fun. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first. There will be total of 32 pieces of in chess game. 16 pieces for you and 16 pieces for opponent. Your 16 pieces are 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, 1 queen, 1 king, and 8 pawns. The same for opponent. 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, 1 queen, 1 king, and 8 pawns. Let's break it down. Your king is like, well, the king. The most critically important piece in chess. You need to protect him at all costs, because if your king gets captured or killed, it's checkmate and you lose. Now, here's where things get interesting. Your queen is also the most powerful piece on the chessboard. She can move any direction, horizontally, vertically, diagonally, basically. She's like the superhero of the chess world. But the king? He can only move 1 square in any direction. He's slow, but super important. Okay, pawns. They're the soldiers in the game. They move 1 square forward, but on their very first move, they can choose to move 2 squares forward. And if they reach the other side of the board, they get to promote to a queen, rook, knight, or bishop. That's like leveling up in a video game. Knights. Oh, knights are cool. They move in an L shape, 2 squares in one direction and then 1 square to the side. They're the only pieces that can jump over others. You can think of them like the sneaky little tricksters of the game. Rooks? They move in straight lines, either horizontally or vertically. They're like the wall, you can't get past them easily. And bishops move diagonally, 1 color of square at a time. They're masters of the diagonal battlefield. Alright, let's talk strategy. The goal of chess is to checkmate your opponent's king. But before that, you've got to think ahead. Protect your king, move your pieces strategically, and try to outsmart your opponent. Keep in mind the famous saying, a pawn in the right hands is a queen in disguise. Don't underestimate those pawns. Now, how do you win? You need to put your opponent's king in a checkmate. That means the king is in a position where he can't escape capture, and it's game over. But here's the thing. Before you checkmate, you'll need to set traps, control the center of the board, and sometimes sacrifice a piece to get ahead. It's a battle of wits, people. And that's it, the basics of chess. Now go ahead, challenge your friends, practice, and get better. Remember, no one wins every time. But with each game, you get smarter, sharper, and maybe even a little more cunning. So go ahead, grab that chessboard, and let's play. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for more fun tips and tricks. Until then, may your moves be clever, and your checkmates unstoppable. Bye-bye.